on this edition of Simple Meals with Dave. I make two types of green sauce using these tomatillos. I have one, this is the way they come. And what you do is you just peel off the leaves. I'm gonna put them to boil, and I'm also gonna put 4 serrano peppers. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these to boil. I got some water on, but I'm gonna have to add more. Okay, I want to boil everything together, and then once they boil, of course the tomatoes are going to get soft, and the jalapenos are going to get soft. In about 15 minutes, and we'll put it together. All right, these tomatoes, if you can see there, you want it to look like that. So this is ready. Okay, the tomatillos and the serrano, they're ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the first sauce I'm going to make is a more authentic sauce. I'm going to use about 8 tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers for this sauce, and then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of salt, a half a teaspoon of cominos, half teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm going to give it a quick mix. Once all these vegetables are cooked, they're really easy to blend. So I'm going to blend it up, and then that is the sauce there. And then just like this one, you can use on tacos. You can eat it with chips, or you can eat it with eggs. And it's a more authentic green sauce that is very simple to make. Using the same tomatoes, I'm going to put these from our mixture. Like I said, I'm only using 2 of the serrano peppers. And I'm going to save on this one, this sauce is a little bit thicker. So I'm going to save the juice in case I need some, okay? So on here, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon of cominos. And then on this one, I'm going to add some sour cream to it. That is about 8 ounces of sour cream. We're going to add about 8 ounces of sour cream. I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, then I'm going to add some avocado. I'm just going to put the avocado in here. This sauce will be a little thicker than the other one, and it's really good to serve with chips. Okay, so we're going to give it a mix just like the other one. Like I said, this is going to be a thicker sauce. Okay, so I'm going to give it a mix. I'm going to look at it and see. It's pretty thick. I'm just going to add just a little bit of water. And I'm going to use the water from the mixture because it has the flavor of the tomatoes, or the tomatillos and the serrano pepper. So I'm just going to put a little bit more water in it. This one's a little bit thicker than the other one. And look at that, really nice creamy sauce. Like I said, this one's a little bit more sauce that you would see in an authentic restaurant. It's very good sauce, and with just 2 serrano peppers and the spices, it's not really hot at all. And this one, like I said, it's got sour cream, avocado, same spices, and it's a lot more creamier because of the sour cream and the avocado. Well, they're both really good flavor, but I like this one more because of the sour cream and the avocado. I like it more. But they are both really easy to make and really good. I want to give a shout out to Megan. Megan's been waiting for me to make this green sauce. So this is a shout out to Megan. Thanks for watching. And you heard it here on Simple Meals with Dave. See how we can help you out in the kitchen.